Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the 17th chapter, Stars and the Solar System. Outer universe have always excited us. So, we are always curious to study what is present in the outer space. All the objects which are present in the outer space are known as celestial objects that make up this universe. In this chapter, we'll study about these celestial objects. If we look up into the sky on a clear dark night, we can see a faint band of light running through the heavens. This is Milky Way, our own galaxy. You can see in this image, it contains about 200 billion stars and countless other objects. These stars of this galaxy spread out from its center like a spiral. Like you can see here, they are dense in the center, and as they are spreading out, they spread out from the center. Therefore, they form a spiral shape. Therefore, this galaxy is known to have spiral shape. All the members of this galaxy, including Sun, its solar family, billions of other stars, they all revolve around a particular center. Now, on a clear night, we can see many stars in the sky. These appear to twinkle when we view from the earth. Stars are quite far away from us, and there are various layers of pressure in between, because of which there are layers of atmosphere because of which it appears to twinkle. Whereas we find there are some other bright objects which are present in the sky that are not twinkling. These objects are planets. The word planet comes from a Greek origin which means wanderer, which keep on changing their position. Unlike stars, they appear almost fixed. Planets keep on changing their position. It means planets keep on wandering, keep on moving, and stars appear to be fixed. Their observed brightness is known because of the light which is reflected by these planets falling on them. Like Venus is a planet, it do not have any light of its own, it just reflects the light of sun falling on it. And similar is the case with other planets, and they keep on wandering, they keep on changing their position in the night sky, whereas stars are generally fixed. The next thing, we sometimes have seen bright lines of light flashing across the sky. For a very short duration, we call these as shooting stars. As you have seen in various movies, in Hindi you call it Tootta Tara. People start making wishes, but actually it is a celestial object which is falling in Earth's atmosphere. So shooting stars we call them. So the stars, the sun, the moon, the planets, the shooting stars are the main celestial objects which make up our universe, and they are known as celestial objects.